Hey, what up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Willie Trades. I trade Forex and I'm a profit trader. Um, so guys, this week it's been I wouldn't say a rough week, but it wasn't a profitable week for me because I couldn't take any trades. I couldn't take any trades because of my 9 to 5. So yeah, I could analyze, but I was unable to take trades and all of that. So yeah, but I have something to show you guys. I recently just bought my second Profim account. So if you watched the previous video, guys, you'd see I'm trading a 6K Profim account. So now I've purchased another one, a 10K account. I don't know if you can see, guys. This is it. I'll purchase a 6K life account. So this is it. Hope you don't see my password. But if you do, you do. So this is it, guys. I managed to purchase myself a 6K account. I mean a 10K account, my bad. And I'm making this video, guys, mind you, tomorrow it's CPI. So this is the night before CPI. So we'll be trading CPI tomorrow, but on a personal account, not on the on the Profim account. I won't be doing that, guys, because the market gets volatile. I don't want to cry, guys. I don't want to cry. So yeah, guys, we'll be trading at 10K. So with this Profim, with this account, they I have both of them have different rules, guys. So with the 6K ones, I'll only focus on currency pairs. You know what I'm saying? On Forex strictly. And then on this 10K one, I'll uh, focus only on indices. So it will be Nasdaq, USDT. Also gonna add a commodity, a metal, um, a gold. So I'll be only trading these three. So if I don't find a setup on USDT, I must find it on Nasdaq. If I don't find it on Nasdaq, I must find it on gold. If I don't find anything, then I don't find anything. But that's what those are my rules for the for both accounts. I don't wanna I don't wanna juggle both in just one account. So I'll just have those two. So by the way, I think on Friday I bought it on Thursday if I'm not mistaken, and then on Friday I saw beautiful sales. I don't know if I can show you guys here, but then yeah, I saw beautiful sales on Nasdaq, and then I took them, and then yeah, it hunted my stop loss, and then went in profit, but then yeah, it took me out again. So yeah. So now we are down by 0.5%, So on this 10K account, it's another step one challenge. So guys, I like step one challenge, not those two phases. I just, I have to make 10% again, guys. Meaning, I have to make how much? 1K. So I have to make 1K this time. Only my daily loss is 400 US dollars. That's something, guys, comparing to 180. And then my overall drawdown is $600. So guys, I'm never gonna blow that. I can't blow that. Hopefully. So yeah, guys. Yeah, tomorrow we are trading CPI, guys. We are hoping, and we believe we're gonna chop, and we don't chop this side. We're finessing. So we believe we're gonna finesse CPI, and I'll decide. I don't know which instrument I should trade, which pair I should trade, whether USDT or Nasdaq or gold. But I think I'm gonna trade gold, guys. Gold move smoothly for me, and it's cheap comparing to Nasdaq and USDT. So yeah. So this is me, guys. Before I go to sleep, I'm about to go to sleep right now. Probably gonna watch I don't know, a motivational interview, you know. Then yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna wake up. I think about around 1 o'clock, and then start back testing a little bit. So yeah, let's go, guys. Heart been broke so many times. I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, heart on this, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, heart on this, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand. I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed, and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times. I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on this, heart on this, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, heart on this, getting the best of me. Hey, what up, guys? Good morning. So this is day 2 of my day in the life of a forex trader. So today, guys, it's CPI. So pretty much we're trading CPI today. And, just quickly gonna on my desktop. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. So today, guys, we'll be participating in CPI. Yeah, hopefully we're gonna chop it and fund it in an account. I wish I could just show you guys. Let me try to show you guys. Yep. So we funded $35, almost $36. So we're Royal 100 bonus, so we have like $71. So, yeah. We are over leveraging, full gain. It's either we're making money today or the market is making money out of us. So it is what it is, guys. So, on this account, I'm willing to risk everything on this account. I won't have any stop loss when I'm trading it. I'll be trading it live with you guys. No stop loss, no TP, no everything. Just an entry. Yeah, I'll just exit my money. Yeah. Let's go. So yeah, guys, we are few minutes away from CPI. So you know the vibes. What are we doing today, my friends? So yeah, guys, we are about to CPI. I'm about to let me quickly prepare for CPI and analyze. We'll be back. So yeah, let's go.
I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are, and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that knows.
So yeah, guys, we are done. Hey. So guys, yeah, we are done analyzing the CPI. So now we are waiting. We are like what is the time? We are like almost 13 minutes. 13 minutes. 22 minutes to CPI. We are looking to sell, to buy gold. So that's what we are seeing on gold. Yeah. Never says. I'm with the bruise, but it's not too long. Come on. Hey, man, not too long until the blow. You are not going to blow. You are making money. My sis is looking at me like, yo, you're gonna regret. Why not? I'm gonna go get it. Fuck. Why? So yeah, we are seeing sales on gold, guys. I don't know about Nasdaq and everything. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, ne? Just claim me.
Accept.
Mina gumi?
That's not enough money.
Nami it's not enough money, mos.
Anjani?
0.5, fuck.
At least look size.
1. It's not enough money again.
Oh, bought. Fuck. Man. Guys, we blew. Oh. Not enough money, Ganja.
It's not enough money.
In Kawan only allowed me to open one trade.
How though? In this, that's me pick up what you.
Fuck.
Cover this up.
Amara, this is not it, Joe. What the fuck is this, bro? This shit is setting so high. Yo. What is this? Come. Kulite mfethu went to get the position. Then the ends are in a say. iPhone support like this. So it takes us liquidity and then it's gonna sell after. Yo! Hey, USDJPY is not leaving room for Jesus.
Notapeka nento. Ubonile
Nasdaq.
Euro USD.
What happened to Nasdaq? Also,
85%.
Why is it not enough money?
Why, Joe?
Oh, guys, Capino, if you can check there. If you can check there. I got penny. CPI did me bad. But then, as you can see, the box right there. To console me, nyana.
Yeah. die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with this. Just to make sure.
Guys, this is where the video ends for today. As you have seen, guys, today we traded CPI, we unboxed a take a lot delivery. I don't remember what else we did, but then yeah. So I'm gonna just wrap it up here. So please do like and subscribe and leave a positive comment, guys. And yeah, you know, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and do all of that, you know. And yeah, today we did a lot, guys. This is the general board. Can take a lot. It's looking good. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Bought this one so I can journal my emotions, my trades, everything, whatever comes to my mind. And also bought a selfie stick so I can be able to vlog whenever I'm outside. So it's gonna be difficult. I don't like going outside that much. Yeah. So yeah, guys. On today on CPI, we're trying to big L, guys. Big L. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna wrap it here. So y'all stay safe. Until the next video, guys. Bless. And don't forget to subscribe.
Sweaty days, all you say.